Sin pero, sin pero, sin
What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. It's been a while. Busy again. Sorry. I recently had my birthday and we were celebrating it. Sorry. So, today is Christmas, like little Christmas thing. As you can see, I'm not going to show the whole thing. Something happened. I don't know what happened. I heard about the update, checked it out. Blah blah blah. You already get the news, right? So a lot has changed when I was gone. We're gonna check out everything that's new in today's update and what I missed. So, oh yeah, and happy Thanksgiving if I didn't get to upload this earlier. Or happy Thanksgiving for the people that I didn't get to say to in my latest video. Well, yeah, latest video. I guess without further ado, let's get right into the video. So I played the game earlier and I checked out, I bought one of these and I'm guessing it's a thing to save, like buy like this. Hold on. And I just buy. It's pretty cool. Okay. And there's some new things here that I'm not gonna check out because it's probably like random items. There is a new thing around here. They moved the machine. They moved the thing over here, the little picture board. They have the cave there. Thing over here, but what is this? Lift closed. Okay, I can't grab into that. I'm guessing in a future update until the 6 days are over, it's gonna be changed. There's something new up there. Just a couch. They still got some Smash Bros up here on the GameCube. Okay. Is that everything that's new, or is it just like snowy? Yeah, it's just like frozen everywhere. Oh, okay. So when I was playing, everyone was saying, "Oh, no way!" Right? They already removed it. Man, that is sad. I'm gonna have to keep those coins. They were telling me to go to Lake. There's something in Lake that people are talking about, and I don't know what it is. Okay. Wait, what is that? It's just the mountains. The water's ice. It's slippery. I was hearing something, but I didn't know what it was. What is this? What is this? What is this up here? Can't even drop the snow. Wait, is that the thingy? When you freaking cave? Yeah, it's the cave thing. I came over here for that. There's some cracks here. two of them. Look at my body. It's pretty funny. Okay. Might as well get another bag full of bombs. Here we go. Where'd that rocket launcher go? Here it is.
Why didn't I flinch? Because the laws of science differ fundamentally from those of...
Wow. Okay. That was very not cool of him. Okay, let me grab that Master Chief thingy or whatever it was. Okay, I'm gonna grab the sword, right? And then I'm gonna grab whatever that Master Chief thingy was. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Make sure to like and subscribe and share out to all your friends, please. I am desperate. Well, not desperate. I am begging you, bro. Please. I want to get to 100 subscribers by the end of this year, or by January, by the end of January. I'm not expecting too much from this, but I hope to make it to 100 subscribers by the end of this year. Well, I guess that's all. Let's just, there we go. Thank you so much for watching. Oh my god, why did it fall? I did not. Oh wait, what the heck? Where did I get this from? That is so cool. Okay. Well, thank you so much for watching. And as always, have a good one.